Hello IG Garage family, is your check engine light on and your scanner showing P0141? Your car might be burning extra fuel, running rough, or failing emissions tests. This code points to a problem with the oxygen sensor heater circuit, which is crucial for fuel efficiency and engine performance. In this video we'll break down what P0141 means, where the sensor is located, and how you can fix it easily. Stay tuned to save time and money. The P0141 trouble code stands for Oxygen Sensor Heater Circuit Malfunction, Bank 1 Sensor 2. Oxygen sensors have built-in heaters to warm up quickly for accurate readings. If the heater fails, the sensor takes too long to respond, triggering this error code. Symptoms of P0141 include check engine light on, increased fuel consumption, failed emissions test, rough idling or hesitation, and black smoke from the exhaust due to a rich fuel mixture. Common causes of P0141 are a faulty downstream O2 sensor, specifically Bank 1 Sensor 2. The heating element inside the sensor may have burned out. Blown fuse or faulty relay. The heater circuit may not be getting power. Damaged or corroded wiring. Broken wires or corrosion can interrupt the heater circuit. Exhaust leaks near the sensor. Fresh air can throw off readings and prevent proper heating. Bad engine control module or ECM, which is a rare case. A faulty ECM might not send power to the heater circuit. Bank 1 Sensor 2, also known as the downstream O2 sensor, is located after the catalytic converter in the exhaust system. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine with cylinder 1. In 4-cylinder engines, it's on the single exhaust pipe after the catalytic converter. In V6 and V8 engines, it's on the exhaust pipe for Bank 1. The O2 sensor has a 4-wire connector leading to the ECM. The heater circuit gets power from the fuse box or relay. Look for burned, frayed, or broken wires near the exhaust system. First, inspect the O2 sensor wiring and fuse. Locate the Bank 1, Sensor 2, and check for burned, cut, or corroded wires. Also check the fuse box for a blown fuse related to the O2 sensor heater. Second, test the O2 sensor heater circuit. Use a multimeter to check for 12-volt power at the heater circuit. If there's no power, check the relay and wiring. Replace the oxygen sensor if needed. If the wiring is fine, the sensor's heater element may be faulty. Install a new OEM or high-quality aftermarket sensor for better performance. Check for exhaust leaks. A leak near the sensor can cool it down too fast, making the heater ineffective. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the P0141 code. Drive for a few miles and check if the light stays off. That's how you fix P0141, O2 sensor heater circuit malfunction, Bank 1 Sensor 2. If your check engine light is on and you're experiencing high fuel consumption or rough idling, check your oxygen sensor and heater circuit wiring. For more car fixes, watch these next: P0035, turbocharger bypass valve control circuit high, and P0036 HO2S heater control circuit, Bank 1 Sensor 2. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert car repair tips from IG Garage. See you in the next one.